In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for managing your real estate CRM. Whether you're just getting started with Monday.com or looking to enhance how you manage your real estate listings, these steps will guide you seamlessly through the setup process. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a fully functional CRM tailored to your real estate needs, ready to help streamline your client interactions and property management. First, let's head over to Monday.com. Open your web browser and type in the URL, or simply click on your bookmark if you have one. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Click on Log In to proceed. Now, to make things straightforward, you can click on the Google icon to sign in using your Google account. This not only speeds up the process, but also keeps your accounts integrated easily. Select your preferred Google account from the list, and you'll be logged into your Monday.com workspace. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here, you'll find a plus icon. Click on it. This action will help us access various templates that can serve as the foundation for our real estate CRM. Clicking on this icon brings up a menu. From this menu, find Template Center. The Template Center is a treasure trove of pre-designed templates that can serve various business needs, including real estate. Within the Template Center, navigate to the Real Estate tab. This is your next destination. It filters out the templates specifically designed for real estate professionals like yourself, making your search process more efficient. Look through the options until you find the one labeled Real Estate CRM. This is the template we'll be utilizing to set up your customized CRM system. Click on Real Estate CRM to proceed. Once selected, you'll see an overview of the template's features and a Use Template button. Click on Use Template to add this CRM system to your workspace. This action will instantly integrate the template into your Monday.com account, allowing you to customize it according to your specific requirements for tracking properties, clients, and deals. Remember, the beauty of Monday.com lies in its flexibility. Although we have chosen a real estate template to guide us, you have the freedom to tweak and modify the fields to suit any specific parameters or processes unique to your business. It's designed to adapt effortlessly to your needs, so take your time exploring how best to utilize it for maximum efficiency in your dealings. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up a real estate CRM on Monday.com. With this setup, managing your real estate projects will become increasingly organized and streamlined. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials to boost your business productivity.